Hello everyone, it's Theresa with Yellow Daisy. Today I'm going to be participating in the Pumpkin Palooza 2018 collab hosted by Val over at Auntie Cuckoo's channel. Her only rule for this collab is that it needs to be $5 or under. So I needed to shop my home to see the supplies and items that I already had. So let me show you what I came up with. I had this welcome sign that I purchased at Walmart during the spring, and it faded to this weird color scheme. I'll show you a before what it looked like. So I knew that I wanted to use the metal wording of welcome on that. And then here are some pumpkins that I already had. The 2 burlap pumpkins I purchased this year at the dollar store. And here's some ribbon and fall picks that I already had. This collab only has one basic rule, and that is to keep it $5 or under. So you really have to figure out what you already have and be creative in using things maybe differently than you did in the past. And these Waverly chalk paint, I already had those also, and I am loving these paints. Leave a comment below if you use these paints in your projects and what you've used them on. I'd love to hear all the different projects that can be used with these paints. Okay, so now for the fun stuff. The first thing that I did was removed the galvanized welcome sign off of that board, and I wanted to paint it, so I used the ink color of the Waverly chalk paint, and I did 2 coats, and it covered very, very well. And then I wanted to paint the pumpkins. Instead of going with the vibrant fall colors this year, I'm kind of toning it down and going more natural, neutral colors. So I wanted to get the heirloom muted color tones on these pumpkins, and that's what I did. And basically all I did was just mix the paint until I got my desired colors that I wanted of the paint. The only other thing that I purchased for this collab was a picture frame at the dollar store. So here I'm just painting that little cardboard backing part black, and you'll see why in my project how I used that frame. And here is my decorated space for the Pumpkin Palooza 2018 collab. I only spent $3 at the dollar store for this collab. I purchased that picture frame, which was already painted that beautiful color, and the 2 burlap pumpkins that I had showed you earlier. The hello sign on the frame my daughter did on her Cricut machine. Here is the other burlap pumpkin, and then those 2 are the orange pumpkins that I painted with that Waverly chalk paint. I attached the welcome galvanized sign to that chicken wire frame by hot glue. I just put a couple little dots on it to hold it up there. The cotton stems, I just cut those to individual stems and hot glued those onto the frame, and then with the ribbon just hot glued a bow on there. Thank you so much for stopping by today, and I also wanted to give a big thanks to Val over at Auntie Cuckoo for putting on this collab. I will link her channel and the playlist below for you so you can check out all the other fantastic videos. And if you are new to our channel, we would love for you to hit that subscribe button and join us here at Yellow Daisy. Have a great day. Until the next one, bye-bye.